Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy here, Glowstik, back with another video, and today we're going to be doing episode 3, which is how to make an embed. So we went over this in we made a pin command in last episode, and if we go to our announcements, we have this. So pin command 1, but an embed's lost. So now we're going to be doing embed though, and I'm gonna first show you how to do an embed, and then I'm gonna integrate an embed into our pin command. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Okay, so this is our coding editor here. Open it up and then open your folder up. If you don't know how to do that, just click open folder in your coding editor and then select your folder. And we just want to open our index.js. Now I got a few questions today and asking how do you add another command. So if you want to add another command, don't copy and paste this in, just copy and paste, just add an else if, and then command equals, and then what you want your command to be. So mine's gonna be, I'm just going to embed and open up brackets, and then I'm just gonna copy and paste this in. So yeah, now we can change this to embed. So this time, since it's an embed, we have to pass in our Discord module, and you do that by adding comma and then Discord. This way you can pass in your modules through here, so then when you actually use it, you'll actually get, if you don't do this, you'll get an error saying, oh, you don't have a module or something. But anyways, we're gonna make embed.js, and I'm just gonna copy and paste this here because I'm not trying to rewrite all this, and I can just clear this. So as you can see, it's a brand new thing. And then example embed. This is just going to be an example, then we're actually going to implement it. So it's embed. Once we have that, and also I forgot, add your module here too. So now you pull it in Discord. Sorry, my typing's a bit bad today. But now if you want to do an embed, what you have to do first is you have to have a let. And hold up, I'll actually pull out how do I say this, like an embed example, and I'll put it up on my server for you guys. So but basically what it is here's an embed. I got this. I'll update my Git with like some embed stuff so you guys can take it from there. But all it is this. So now let me just tab this in. But as you can see, you can set your title text, you can set a color, and then a footer. This is like basically kind of a basic simple embed, and then you can get like something more advanced soon, but we're just gonna do embed now. This is basically already set up, and then you just message our channel. So this stores as a variable, so you can make sample embed, and now I have to go sample embed. Now if we were to run this, so I'll open up my terminal here and wait for this to like load up once you get the thing. And while we're waiting for this to load up, if you're asking for what theme I use, it's actually here. I use Sublime Monakai. Right here. This is a bit off topic, but it's actually really good. It has dynamic things and it looks really nice. So yeah, I suggest you use this if you don't like how your VS Code looks. Anyways, back to the thing. This has loaded, so we just want to run node space dot and okay, now that it gives you your confirmation message, let's go into our Discord, and this is just where I got this from, right here. And we could do embed, and as you can see, it gives us an example embed. Again, this is really simple, and you can make this. This is really like not a lot, but you can expand this into something huge. So now let's add a few images to it. And if we want to add an image, first we have to grab an image. And so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm opening up. When I get an image, I'll come back and then we can start. Okay, so I grabbed an image, and now as you can see here, this is my image right here. It's just a landscape, and also I'm gonna be linking this down below in the description. It's a guide basically. These are actually discord.js. It's the documents, and it's basically like if you want to add more, this is what you can fully do to your embed. How like you have everything here, like thumbnail, image, field view, stuff like that. We're not gonna be doing all of this, but we're gonna be doing a bit, like title, maybe a thumbnail, footer, timestamp, stuff like that. So anyways, let's grab the link of this, and as you can see here, you can add it as a thumbnail or you can add it as an image. We'll do both, I guess. So then we just have to do hold on, let me go into our VS Code, and yeah, so you just have to do set image, not title, image, and then quotations, put your image into there, and then it's a bit laggy, but and then you can do set thumbnail, and then put that into. So now if we were to restart this, do Control C, by the way, if you want to exit out of your bot, and then do node space dot, and that will actually restart your bot. Now since we updated, it might take like a bit. If you have a faster computer, it will, but as you can see, it loaded. If we go in here, now this is what it gave us at first. So now if we redo it and embed, now if we wait, see, as you guys can see, it gave us an image and a thumbnail, and we can change this up a bit. So let's say we have landscape, cool landscape, and then we can add the description. So this is a nice mountain, and then let's see, we want our color to be, I don't know, pink. I'll actually go with coral, and then footer, say landscape art. Okay, so and let's say oh no, our image is a bit too intrusive, so we can take that out and save this, and then click Control C and node space dot. Now this one loaded a bit quickly, and we can go into our Discord. So run embed, and now it only gave us this, and as we updated it, it gave us everything that said there. So as you can see, this is just like how you can mess around with embeds. Now I suggest you going on to the website I provided in the description, messing around with it and seeing like how you can get it to however you want. Read this through. You don't have to read all of it if you don't want to, but I recommend you read at least this until here, or maybe here. And yeah, and now let's actually use this embed command and put it into our ping command. Okay, so here we are in our ping command right here, and now we just want to do basically the same thing. We want to replace this with an embed. Now that's actually fairly easy. You just gotta do this, and then actually let's just copy and paste this, because honestly I don't think you guys want to write all this out. And then so we can do right here. Now let's just change a few things up. Your ping or bot speed, and then let's just say this this may be Wi-Fi. That's just, and I spelled that wrong, so And then now we can keep a color, so let's just go for, I guess, actually I like blue, so black. So we can just go for black as a thing, and now we can put in here bot. Actually, we have to put in tilde keys, bot speed or bot ping, and then $, brackets, and then ping. Now we can take this out, and actually this should be it, so let's just keep this as ping embed, ping embed. Okay, now this should be it. And so if we open up the thing, and let's go into our Discord, so, and we run ping, now should give us finding bot ping, and now it didn't work. So let's check into our code and see what went wrong. It says, oh yeah, so we forgot to do this again. You have to do this. So it will say Discord is not defined if you do not add right here. See, Discord is not defined. So we have to go into here and add the Discord module. Okay, now let's try this out. Okay, and let's switch over to our Discord. And ping. And as you can see, it gave us our bot speed. Now we can try it again. And it's gonna change, but it's the same thing. And that's how you do an embed. And we also implemented it. If you wanna like try out and make a help command for yours, we'll be doing that later on too. But as you can see, that's how you do it if you wanna make something, if you wanna make an embed. Now next episode, I'll post something on my Discord again. It's either gonna be a ban or something. But anyways, till then, bye.